Hello guys, good morning and a great morning. Isang dakilang umaga sa inyo guys. In today's video guys, we're gonna show you how to cook mixed vegetable with spider shell. This one guys, only 200 pesos only this guys. So expensive. Ito lang maliit. So these are the ingredients guys, mga sa kanyang sangkap guys. So spider shells meat and cauliflower, optional lang, this is optional guys. And then these are the mixed vegetables guys. Sari-sari ang gulay natin. We'll make it together guys. I'm gonna show you how to cook this one. So simple, napakadali lang to guys. So let's go, panoorin natin. Ito may oil kasi gigisa natin. Onion and garlic. This bell pepper, optional. And also this oyster sauce, and also optional. So these are all the ingredients guys. So of course this mixed vegetable composed of cauliflower, squash, taro, gabi, okra, and everything, string beans, eggplant, and the spider shell guys, meat, spider shell meat, karne ng saang guys, in our local dialect here in the Philippines. Onion, crushed garlic, bell pepper slice, and a little bit of pepper, powder pepper, and crushed pepper also. Vinegar and soy sauce. Of course, oil. So first guys, we sauteed it. We preheat the pan and we saute the onion and garlic. Let's go guys. So let's just preheat the pan guys, so we can saute the onion and garlic guys. So let's put the cooking oil guys. This is a regular cooking oil. The next is onion or crushed onions guys. And followed by crushed garlic. Now guys, the garlic and onion is cooked. So let's put the spider shell guys, meat. So, karne ng saang guys. We sauteed it until it like half cooked guys. Just cover it guys in several minutes guys until it does half cook. Just put guys a little bit of salt guys. Okay folks, so let us put this little amount of water. And cover it again. Takpan natin. And the next guys, we put the next vegetable guys. So let's mix it a little bit. And we cover it again until it's half cooked. Medium fire lang siya guys. Okay folks, it's already cooked, so let's put the other seasoning. Like soy sauce and pepper.
Yummy? Yes, yummy.
Vinegar and the bell pepper. And lastly guys, our oyster sauce seasoning. Just mix it well guys. Mix well. Haluin natin mabuti para talablag ang lasa sa lahat ng mga gulay. Takpan natin konti guys. Let's cover it for the last time guys. So I think it is okay guys. It is already cooked guys. And the vegetable is already tender. And all the ingredients, all the vegetables. So let's have a taste in the kids guys. Tan! Come here!
Yes.
Tan,
Okay.
come here. Taste it.
Nip. Nip pa.
Blow it.
Yes, yummy.
Yummy?
Yes.
Okay. So yummy daw guys. So thank you for watching guys. See you on my next video.